Okay, good day to everyone. Welcome again to UP Math. So in this video, I'll teach you how to solve for the missing angles given certain conditions on pair of angles, no? Now here it is already assumed na alam nyo na ang complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, and other pairs of angles, no? So let's get started. Okay, let's start with problem number 1. The measure of a complement of an angle is 15 more than twice the measure of an angle. Find the measure of an angle. So we start by making a representation. So we let x be the angle. This is very important, no? Yung ating representation kasi this will be our guide for setting up an equation, no? Now, if x is the angle, then the complement of that angle would be 90 minus x. Why? Remember complementary angles? Those are angles that add up to 90, no? So, if x is the angle, so subtract lang natin yung sa 90 to get the complement. Okay? Now, since the complement is 15 more than twice the angle, we write 90 minus x is equal to 2x, no? Kasi twice plus 15. 15 more than daw eh. Okay? So, to solve for x, we transpose 2x to the left-hand side of the equation and 90 to the right-hand side. So, we get negative 3x is equal to negative 75. And then we divide negative 3 both sides of the equation. So, x is equal to 25 degrees. Okay? So, to check, no, if the angle is 25 degrees, then its complement would be 90 minus 25 degrees or 65 degrees, no? And 65 is 15 more than twice 25, di ba? Kasi twice 25 is 50 plus 15 is 65. So that is correct, no? Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 2. Two angles are supplementary. If the ratio of the smaller angle to that of the larger is 5:7, what is the measure of the smaller angle? So let's start with the representation. Let x be the smaller angle. So if x is the smaller angle, then the larger angle would be 180 minus x, no? Since they are supplementary angles. Now, it's also given that the ratio of the smaller to the larger is 5:7, no? Now, let us recall that the ratio of A is to B can be written as A over B, no? Pwede natin i-convert sa fraction yan. So, by doing so, we have x over 180 minus x is equal to 5/7, no? Since the ratio is 5:7. So to solve for x, we just cross multiply. So we have 7x is equal to 5 times 180 is 900 minus 5x. Transposing negative 5x to the left-hand side of the equation, we have 7x plus 5x is equal to 900. Now 7x plus 5x is 12x. That is equal to 900. Dividing both sides by 12, we get x is equal to 75 degrees. No? So that is the measure of the smaller angle. No? Now to check whether our answer is correct, let us take the supplement of 75 degrees. So that is 180 minus 75 is equal to 105 degrees, di ba? Now, to take the ratio of the smaller with the larger, we just have to divide 75 by 105 and take the lowest term. So how do we get the lowest term? We can divide both by 15, no? Now, 75 divided by 15 is 5, and 105 divided by 15 is 7. So, the ratio is correct, no? 5 is to 7. That's it. Let us now proceed to number 3. If angle M is complement to angle N, and if the measure of the supplement of angle N is 98, find the measure of angle M. Okay, so since angle M is complement to angle N, then angle M plus angle N must be equal to 90. No? Now, since the measure of the supplement of angle N is 98, we write 180 minus angle N is equal to 98. Diba? So, angle N is equal to 180 minus 98 or 82 degrees, no? Angle N is 82 degrees. So to solve for angle M, we simply use equation 1, no? And substitute angle N. So angle M plus angle N, which is 82, is equal to 90. And then we transpose 82 to the right hand side of the equation. Angle M is equal to 90 minus 82, or angle M is equal to 8 degrees. And that's it. Okay, let's proceed to number 4. If angle H is complement of angle I and angle J are vertical angles, and the supplement of angle J has a measure of 140 degrees, find the measure of angle H. So since angle H and angle I are complementary, then angle H and angle I is equal to 90. Now, it is also given that angle I and angle J are vertical angles. So, angle I is congruent to angle J. Why? Because all vertical angles are congruent. Okay? Now, since angle I is congruent to angle J, we can rewrite equation 1 as angle H plus angle J is also equal to 90. Okay? So we just substitute angle J for angle I, no? Since they are congruent. Now, since the supplement of angle J is 140, then 180 degrees minus angle J is equal to 140 degrees. So to solve for J, we transpose 140. So that's 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees, no? So angle J is 40 degrees. And to solve for angle H, okay, we can now use equation 2, no? So angle H plus angle J, which is equal to 40, is equal to 90. So angle H is equal to 90 minus 40, or angle H is equal to 50 degrees. And that's it. Okay, thank you again for watching. So, watch out for more topics in geometry. Plus, no? Coming soon, trigonometry, no? Mag-start na rin tayo doon. Okay, bye for now.